Hey, thanks for joining me on Otter HB. I'm at Law's Museum. It's right outside of Bishop, and it's just a little off the beaten path. If you get a chance, there's just a ton of railroad history. Its train station is really what it was, and it serviced a train line that went from Carson City down to Keeler, which Keeler, a lot of you know, is the Sierra Gordo, and you've seen that channel, but it's just really something else. Welcome to some history. So come join me. We're going to take a walk, look at some history. It's exciting, and I just hope it makes you go, I have to go there. So let's go walk outside and check it out. Check it out, though. It was just this little town, and it's basically, welcome to a train depot. And you know, it is a train depot that fed mostly the mines. You know, they needed supplies, and it came out of Carson City and kind of fueled here. And I think the main thing was get down to Sierra Gordo, because that thing was just, you know, if you research that a little bit, it was a huge mine. Like, this is the telegraph office. A little dark, I don't think you see much. The fun part about all this, though, is if you can imagine and try to put yourself in a little bit of the position that people lived here. This was their homes. This was their life. It's how they lived. What's that?
They would buy their tickets here, and then this was where they would wait for their trains.
Did you get a ticket?
No.
No one's working?
Nobody's there. They're on lunch.
But it always amazes me when I come into stuff like this and I've seen it. And it's just, you go, people lived in this. The railroad that began Nauhar ended nowhere and stopped all night to think it over. Go figure. But it would have been a way to live, a rougher way to live, that's for sure. Here's a picture of
This is crazy.
you could get lost here. They said, I guess there's 44 buildings. So you could come and walk around here and walk in buildings and get lost forever. Old saddles and brands. How about that? An old hearse. I will say, anytime you think your day-to-day is a little tough, man, you think about the way these guys lived, and it's all like, that'd be tough. Check out all these saddles and all the different brands. So they called this the stove house, but check it out. It's all the printing presses and would have been the newspaper and everything else. It's just, it's amazing how today's world, we look at the internet and all the stuff we do, and then you look at this and go, This is the way it was done back in the day. Pretty cool, just the guns, and here's a bunch of telephones and radios behind me. Look at that. That was your entertainment. Those were the cell phones in the old day. And there's your entertainment. It was a different world. And it's funny at times lately I've been thinking, you know, we all live in this world and, you know, a basic time frame, you know, how was it? And you think about how, you know, your world is today. But all this isn't that long ago. This was 100 years ago. So it's not that long ago, and this is how people lived. Just amazing. I think it's stunning when you stop and think about it. So there. Here we go. Beauty parlor and textile. So this was all the shopping. If you needed to go shopping, here's your mall right here. So here it is. This is kind of what it was all about. It's just kind of, it's a train yard. It is a little town that took care of the train from Carson City down to Keeler. It's really something. It wasn't a long train. I guess they said it's, you know, smaller, but it served its purpose. It served the mind, and welcome to a town that did it. See if we can get in and see in the caboose car. So this would have been kind of the working end of a train. Somewhere to sleep, work. Looks like a little, probably there's your kitchen, your bathroom, a sink behind you. And this is how you spent your day, every day, going to work. So thanks for stopping with me. This is just kind of a quick stop. I wanted to video and show you Laws. I had never seen it. It looks like I could spend a ton more time, go walk through every building. The history right here is just really something else. So fun little stop if you get a chance. Laws, California, check it out. It's a nice museum. If you haven't already subscribed to Otter HB, please go to the channel, hit subscribe. Watch some videos, camping, cooking, fishing, hiking. And some of this, go to a museum, see some history. It's just something else. Let me walk you back through some buildings and we'll be out of here. I'll see you on the next one.